taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A gentle maid with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world. With Antonia Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira. Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A gentle maid with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from.
Good morning po sa inyong lahat. Magandang umaga. Magandang umaga po. Welcome to our kitchen. Gagawa pa ako ngayon ng biscuit. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung recipe. Okay guys, this is my recipe. How to make a biscuit. And this is the flour, all-purpose flour, 300 grams. Meron tayong 250 milligram of butter, 1 egg yolk, and sugar, 140 grams. So, just make all together the ingredient. Okay people, let's begin now. Okay, this is the flour. Lagay natin yung sugar. Hahaluin lang po natin. Just mix it. Yan. And then the egg yolk. Ilagay. And the butter. Ayan. And mix it. Okay. Okay people, look at that. Ayan. It's already dough. Tinamay ko na. So, ayan. I-form na natin siya. Okay guys. Ayan. I-roll lang natin siya, okay? Okay people, look at this. Ipa-plot lang natin siya, just the plot. Okay guys, ayan, meron tayong form this, and do like that. Okay. Like this, like that, and do like this. Or pwede naman, you can do like that. Okay. Okay guys. Okay guys, look at this. Ay. Okay. Just like this. You need to be round. You have to be round. Any shape you can do it, guys. You can do this. You can do the heart, anything. Okay. You do the heart, dolphin, anything shape. I don't have a form of the heart, but I can do it by heart. You can do like that. See? Okay. Okay guys, look at that. Oh, look at that. It's a heart. Help people heart. Heart. Okay guys, look at that. Amazing, isn't it? Look.
Mommy. Mommy.
Okay, we're gonna bake now guys about 30 minutes. So look at that. My biscuit. It's really easy. You need to have passion and you know, looks amazing. Okay guys, look at this. It's nice biscuit. Okay. Look amazing. Okay people, look at this. I love biscuit. It's already done. Look at this. Amazing. Alam bang unahin natin dito? Ito yung maliit. Ayan. Nice. Delicious. Guys, sana po nagustuhan nyo ang aking biscuit. It's look yummy and delicious. Thank you so much. Please subscribe and like my recipe. I love you all guys. Thank you. Kain na tayo with coffee. Thank you. Bye now. See you our next video. In the kitchen, we are fire. Ayan po. Hindi ko na pinakita yung pag-decorate. Ayan. Oh! Sarap-sarap.
Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world.
Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.
If you want to taste all the flavors of life, you need to know A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food.